Welcome to Brain Friz! Alam niya, alam mo rin. Hello ka-brainy! For this video, I will teach you on how to remove CPU from motherboard. So the first step is turn off your computer and open the system unit. So here, gentle wiggle the heatsink and fan while pulling upward on the enter device to remove it from the CPU. Then remove the latch holding the processor and lift the retaining piece out of the way. So it's so easy. Lift the processor straight out of the socket, holding it by its edges. Remember, by its edges. Do not try to slide the processor out or grip it from one end. So that's it. If this video helped you, then click the subscribe and like this video. Thank you!